Yes, so very happy to welcome you all for the fifth session of Unit 2, so called Presenting Information. So, very happy to welcome you all, and yes, so what's the main big deal we are going to look into this session is, so we are going to look into the presentation practice and important steps, okay, to be followed. So, in terms of providing that presentation. So, how to make your presentation, your practice in a well good manner is what we are going to look into it. Last session we were looking into the questions, which is a so part of the presentation. So, how questions are important and why questions are important and what are the important points to take when questions are shooted to you. It is doesn't mean that like it is negative impression, it is not so. So, that is what we have clearly explained in the previous session. So, this session is completely how to do a presentation. So, what are the different practice methods? So, come let's look into it. Like practice makes the man perfect. So, right from the start we all keep on saying that word called simple things makes a big difference. So, how it is, and that is what we are going to look into it. So, I would like to put a word to you all. Even though we do a practice for more than 15 times or 20 times, of course everyday learning is required for us. Like even though you have done for more than 35 times a presentation in various places to various audience, but still when you are planning or when you are preparing to do a preparation, I mean when you are doing to have a planning of a preparation, so definitely that preparation point should have a presentation practice. Okay, so without saying that preparation in the sense like should not only reading the words but also you should have that practice. So that is what we are going to look into this. So when you look into this, like although it has been repeated many times over your lifetime, it still rings truth. Okay, so the point is very elaborate. So again, that is what I would have suggested right now. So even though you have done session for many number of times, so never take a point that you are too good in that. Of course, to a certain extent you can take it up, but still have a clear understanding and picture to that. Like of course I have to prepare myself because audience change, the topic change, the way, I mean the situation might change, so you have to adapt to that. So that is what the point you have to bet. So either you can do it in front of a mirror by which your eyes can grab all those moments and you can make the corrections out, and you can keep your mobile phone in front of you and you can start recording it, of course by which you can correct the errors or any pause or any improvement in order to make your presentation an effective one. So those things you can do it, or you can do it in front of your group. So it is so called as your friends. I mean those effects can give you an idea about it. So that is what, because your friends can give you an idea, and if you're able to do it in front of your friends, of course you can have the more confident in order to do in front of everybody. So that is what I would like to give it to you all. So make sure that you can do this method also, right? So practice of course will give you a solidity, firmness towards doing a presentation, because that nervousness and everything will be breaking down, and once you are being solid in terms of your practice, of course that will be delivered, because if you do a practice, of course it becomes a part of your flow. So what words you have to use, everything you have to do it. So right from session 1 I think we have the flow, introduction, that material preparation, and then the topic introduction, and then coming back to the question and answering, and now we are getting into the practice. So all those things are ready, and how you have to do a practice. So in the next session we'll be going deep into it. I'll give you 5 important techniques by which we'll go deep into it and we'll learn more. So one important point, remember, not only in presentation, in even whatever it is, practice makes a man perfect. So keep practicing, and let's meet all for the next session. So meet you all in the next session number 6. Bye bye. Thank you all.